Please note that no AI, colorization or digital enhancement has been applied to my personal archive of original postcards, photographs, slides and negatives featured on this YouTube channel. This photograph shows the premises of Fred Hall, a retail shop that was still trading in the 21st century as the village stores at Clifton-on-Teme. When this photograph was taken, the building housed a bakery, shop, drapery and served as the post office, with Fred Hall acting as sub-postmaster. Born around 1863 in Hanbury in Staffordshire, he served an apprenticeship to the Lichfield grocer John Fowler. He was a grocer at Worcester when in September 1889 he married Ellen Batley, also in the grocery trade, at Ladywood in Birmingham. The couple lived on the tithing at Worcester before the family moved to Clifton. Many of their children had a role within the business. After the First World War, Fred and Ellen were back in Worcester, where he was in business as a motor charabanc proprietor. Seeming about the correct age, it is likely that the man on the right was Fred Hall. Thanks for viewing and listening to my blurb. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up. Post your comments below if you have more info or a question. If you think these video clips rock, you can also subscribe to the channel.